Formation, but watch that colour change as Red 1 brings them down the line. Into the second half, the smoke's gone on from the left. Again, it's the Red Arrows. As we go into the second half, we start with the 5-4 split. And in the second half, we operate in two distinct sections from the right for the 5-4 cross. Red 6 and 8 to our left-hand side, Red 7 and 9. Turn hard way, coming to the up to 60. Turn the big round into Red 9 is fighting down Ollie Suckling, third year. Starts to ease them up again over 600 kilometers an hour. He'll twist to the right. Another fantastic photo opportunity for the vertical break. Leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in a maneuver called the Serpent. Another great opportunity to see the red, white and blue. That red, white and blue is only capable due to the smoke pod under the belly of the airplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of blue smoke. Hard formation to maintain. They're looking 90 degrees along their shoulder line while pulling up to 4G. The smoke comes on from the right-hand side in the Tango. Red 6 and 9 from the left, red 7 and 8 from the right. Maneuvers for 2025. This is Chainsaw. Red 6 and 9 emerging from the 30 seconds of all the blood rushing to the harvest. 8 and 9 roll go around the smoke of 6. For the second of our newest manoeuvres for 2025, we see 6, we see 8, we see 9, hiding in the smoke of 6 is red 7 in the Tempest. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready as Red 1 pulls them up for the palm split. Right now. Because ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honour and a pleasure